How to fix YouTube out-of-date problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to get YouTube working again in no time. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Once there, tap on the search bar and type in YouTube. Hit search, and if you see an update button next to the app, tap it. Updating the app will often fix the issue. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. Press and hold on the YouTube app. Select Delete then, Reinstall App. Reinstalling a fresh version of the app can clear out any corrupted data that may be causing the issue. If the problem still persists, it could be related to your device's operating system. Check if your device is running the latest version, and if an update is available, download and install it. Sometimes the issue is with the device's operating system, and updating it can help resolve the problem. Follow these steps and you should be good to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.